pre-prepped. It's all set and ready. I believe this is a 10 by 10. And today we are going to play with doing 2 pours onto, they're not really bottle bottoms. Well, one is. So my mom gave me the bottom of an orange juice container, which this is actually the bottom. And this was on the inside and cut it out and everything. So we're gonna do a pour onto this, and then immediately after, I'm gonna come in with this. So I took one of those umbrellas, those little party umbrellas, yeah, from World Market. I coated it a few times with Mod Podge, so it's nice and stiff, and it's not going to buckle, hopefully. And we're going to do a pour onto this. And I was just looking at the shapes and wondering what kind of cool design will come out of that. And we're going to be spinning it out as always. So let's get started. Alright, so for the colors today, I was hoping to keep it a little bit on the cooler side. Yes, I still have a mess on the table. I didn't want to waste the plastic. It was still pretty good. There's no tears in it from the last pour, so excuse the mess, but I wanted to do some nicer, cool colors from the Lucas Krill Prussian Blue, color shifts, Aqua, Emerald, and Blue, a little bit of the Sherwin-Williams Dark Knight, and possibly the Muted Luster Gray, even though we're doing a gray background. And there was one more that I wanted. Oh, this is it. I have 2 silvers, one Lucas Krill and one Soho. Oh, this is the cool, or the warmer one. So Soho runs a little bit warm, and Lucas Krill runs on the cooler side. So we're going to use the cooler side. And then for the center one, we're going to do a dirty pour with that one, or like a tree ring right onto that. And then with the center one, I wanted to add some more warmth. So the Lucas Krill Gold Bronze, maybe some, now I'm second guessing myself. Never do this, guys. I always have a plan. Don't be Nate. Craftsmark Gold, so Yellow Ochre, Lucas Krill Gold Bronze. Starting to feel some vibes from that. Haven't used the Stucco Art Metallics Rose Gold in a while, so maybe throw in a little bit of that. And we need something lighter to break this up. Oh, that's a perfect time to come in with the Soho Silver since it's warmer. So we have 6 colors on this side. Just took away the emerald. And we have 6 colors on this side. So let's start by throwing you guys into time lapse. Definitely used a little bit more blue than I should have. I kind of went overboard with the blue, but I love the effect it got. And afterwards, when I was spinning it, I was like, oh my god, it kind of looks like a sunflower. Right there. So maybe afterwards I'll add a little bit more brown to that center, but I just decided to add a little stem at the bottom, so that it was cute. But there we have it. So that is the double bottle bottom, not bottle bottom, umbrella pour. So the outside got this really cool like tree ring effect with the little bumps, but I love that how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So using these gives you 9 petals. And then I just skewered them in a little bit. And this is all going to shift and change in the next like hour as it's settling. But for now, I'm loving the way it looks. It's super cute. So you guys can leave a comment in the section below if you want and let me know. But I like it, so that's all that matters, right? As long as the artist likes what they create. Kinda, maybe. But anyway, I'm just, yeah, I like this. I'm definitely gonna have to try it again, so I'm gonna have to probably try to wash this one or just go through an entire carton of them again if you guys want to try it. It's the little umbrellas. You do have to Mod Podge, whatever that stuff's called. This stuff, Mod Podge. I used the gloss and I coated it twice on one side and then flipped it over, coated the inside, and then yeah. But yeah, thank you guys again for subscribing. All who are subscribed, you guys are amazing. And thank you guys for watching. I hope to get pictures of this up sooner than later. But again, happy Saturday to all of you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Well, tomorrow, Sunday. I'm not quite sure what we're doing tomorrow. I'll figure it out. I have an idea. But I'll see you then. So you guys have to tune in tomorrow to see what next paint pouring adventure we are on tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. Bye!